Friends, now this is second video of our lesson looking around. Our lesson's title is A Day with Nandu. In first lecture we have got idea about the Nandu and his herd. You can see the picture of a herd where Nandu is roaming about. Then we also got some idea that how he is roaming. Then in this lecture we have to get idea like elephant, some other animals also live in their groups. That if you were Nandu and you lived in a herd, what will you do? You will do different activities. That question they have asked, that we will write down later on. Second question is, in the elephant herd, the oldest female elephant decides everything. Who take decision in your family? So you know that in our family, majority our grandfather or grandmother, either father or mother, is taking all the decisions. Nandu did things that he liked to do. If you could spend a whole day with your friends, what all things would you do? What activities you will do? That means you will play, you share something. That means you have to explain in the different way. If you spend one day with your friends, what will you do? Find out and write which other animals live in herds like sheep, goat, cow, buffalo. They also make a group. We have to write down different animals name and their group that I shall write and give you. Do you also live in a group? Dear children, when we live in a group, we are social animals, so it is called a family. I think that you should like it, and if you don't like it, then why you don't like it and why you don't join it, that you have to note down. Why I would like, because you are getting all facilities. Why I would not like, because you have some lack of facilities. Now some general knowledge questions. Which animals did you write on? Write the names. That means horse and different one, camel. If you are made to ride on the elephant, how would you feel? What are your feelings? Did you enjoy this ride? You fear something that you have to note down yourself. Observation. You must have seen many animals around you. In books, in movies, some may be alone, some may be in group. Find out more about any one of these animals and write about it. You can see that some are riding the elephant and roaming into the forest area. You can see in this picture very clearly. Why does egret sit on a buffalo? The answer is to eat small insects which is lying on the body of a buffalo. Have you seen animal riding on the other animal? Write its name. The animal which is riding, the animal which gives the ride. You can see in the picture buffalo and egret also you can write down. Which animal do we use for riding? Very simple answer is that when you go to the garden you can see the horse. If you go to our Gandhi Bagh you can see horse riding is very popular there. Which animals do we use for carrying loads and lifting weights? Donkeys, buffaloes, bullock, etc. Then copy the drawing of elephant here and you have to make a one small cutting of the picture and fold along the dotted lines, then put the pattern, cut the tail and stick it on it. This is a drawing activity, you can do it by yourself, no need to make it write down in the notebook. You can see this. Here are the cuttings. You can see the stripe bands. You can make it at home very easily by drawing with this idea. Next lesson, the story of Amrita, we will continue. Before that, I will also give you an idea of writing the question answer. Till then, thank you.